history of computer. So the history of electricity goes back 2,000 years, to the time the ancient Greeks discovered that certain substances cause an attraction when rubbed against each other. It was in year 1600 when William Gilbert came up with the word electric. Okay. This means to say that all computing devices invented during before the 17th century are all manual kasi there is no electricity during that time. Okay, first manual device is abacus. Okay, please take note of this. Manual computing device, first one is abacus. It was invented by the Chinese people. It is made from beads piled in a wood. Beads, stones, or pebbles. Okay? Then, ang paggamit po ng abacus, okay, nasa upper portion niya ay tagpa 5. Okay? Tapos naman po yung mga beads na nasa baba ay counted as 1. Isang bead, 1. Then, yung first na hilera ay ones. Then, pangalawa is tens, hundreds, so on and so forth. So, ganyan po yung paano gamitin yung abacus. Second manual computing device is Napier's bone. It is also called as Napier's rod. It uses rods to demonstrate division by subtraction and multiplication by addition. So, kung mapapansin nyo, para po siyang yan yung pinakana natin, yung multiplication table. It was invented by John Napier. Third one is the slide rule. It is also known as slipstick. It is used primarily for multiplication, division, and other difficult mathematical functions. So, ano po siya? Ini-slide lang po siya. Okay, then it is used for multiplication. It was invented by William Oughtred. Okay, next one is the Pascaline. Yung Pascaline po was invented by Blaise Pascal. It is used for addition and subtraction. Okay, then ang ano naman po nito ay gear type. Okay, na kung saan yung first circle ay ones. Okay, na nasa right po yung pangalawang circle or pangalawang gear is tens. Then sumunod hundreds, thousands, 10,000, then 100,000s. Okay, then next is step reckoner. It was invented by Gottfried Leibniz. Okay, at ito po ay tinatawag na first calculator. So kung mapapansin niyo po kanina na yung bawat inventions ay may purpose. Yung isa pang multiplication and division lang. As yung Pascaline naman for addition and subtraction. Then sa step reckoner naman, ito yung first calculator that can use for mathematical operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. So lahat ng apat na yon. Kaya siya tinawag na first calculator. It is the first calculator to perform 4 mathematical operations. Okay, next is Jacquard's loom. A mechanical loom that has holes punched in pasteboard. Tinatawag din siyang punch card system. Pero ginagamit po ito for fabrics. Okay, it was invented by Joseph Marie Jacquard. The next one is si Charles Babbage. Meron siyang dalawang invention. First one is difference engine. Difference engine is just a calculator series of values and it printed results in a table format. Okay. It is the first mechanical calculator no, na automatic. Hindi nga lang siya natapos. Okay, hindi siya natapos, kaya gumawa ulit siya ng panibago and that is analytical engine. Okay, analytical engine is a general purpose programmable computing device. So it is programmable using punch cards. Okay, so dalawang inventions niya. Ulit po, difference engine. The next one is analytical engine. Okay. So yung dalawa niyang inventions, mukha lang po siyang maliit, no? Pero mas malaki pa yan sa tao. Okay, imagine from the floor up to the ceiling. Okay, imagine niyo na lang po yung laki ng classroom. Mula sa floor hanggang sa ceiling. Okay, ganyan po yung height niya. Then both engines were invented by Charles Babbage. Okay, at siya po ang natawag na the father of modern computer. So please take note of that. Okay, the father of modern computer is Charles Babbage. Yan. So next era naman natin is electronic computing device. Okay, by the 17th century, many electricity-related discoveries had been made. Ano po yun? Ayan, take note ulit that the father of electricity is Benjamin Franklin. Na-discover niya na ang lightning at ang electricity were somehow related. Father of modern computer, Charles Babbage. Father of electricity, Benjamin Franklin. Okay, scientists invented many useful inventions. Like, for example, yan, si Michael Faraday invented the power generator. Then si Thomas Edison naman invented the light bulb. Then Charles Babbage invented the first mechanical computer, analytical engine. And then, it was during this time, between 1890 to 1930, that the first electronic computers were invented. Okay. Example po niyan yung IBM, punch card, Z1 and Z2. Okay, these are the computers talaga na sobrang bigatin. Na until now, no, katulad ng IBM, yung mga laptops nila sobrang bigat. sobrang bigat, and then yung quality niya napaka-reliable. Okay? Then, meron din namang mga computers na para talaga sa war. They were invented during war. Computers invented during World War II are called wartime computers. So, ito yung mga computers, no? Enigma, Colossus, and then Mark I. Okay? They are the computers na inimbento to calculate elevation and firing charges. Then, meron din namang ENIAC and then transistor. Is also used to tap phone lines para matrace nila yung call. Kung sino yung aatake sa kanila. Parang nangahack. Okay, remember that Colossus computer is the first digital computer. Okay, then Mark I was invented by US team. It was 8 feet tall and 50 feet long. Again, ito yung mga computers na pang-war. Okay, next is ENIAC, vacuum tube digital computer. And then transistor, a semiconductor device used to switch electronic signals and electrical power. So, nade-detect nila yung phone calls kung sino yung aatake sa kanila. And then after that, no, meron nang naiimbento na personal and multimedia computer age. So, no 1973 to 2005, this is the personal and multimedia computer age. So, companies began to produce computers that are small, handy, and portable. Ano pong example niyan? So yung mga na-invent before, no, is the first cell phone. The first cell phone is Motorola. Okay, yung itsura po niyan, yan po, nasa picture. And then, Apple computer. Okay, yung computers before, wala pa siyang mga logos. Wala pang mga pictures. So, codes lang po ang makikita nyo dyan. Then, meron na rin disk operating system computers. And then, other computers like IBM, Macintosh, or sa panahon natin, that is Mac. And then, IBM first laptop. So, onti lang po yung nakaka-avail nito kasi wala nga siyang logo, walang pictures, so purely codes. Okay, mostly na nakakagamit nito ay yung mga IT talaga. Then after that, ayan, marami nang na-invent. Ayan, may mga iPad na, may virtual keyboard. Then kung mapapansin niyo yung mga previous na computers, walang mouse. Diba? Then later on, meron ng mga nag-invent na logos, pictures. Okay, then virtual keyboard was invented, and then lately lang nung itong 2005, YouTube was launched. Take note of this po ha, kasi possible din po itong nalalabas sa test. Then inventions never stop. So nowadays, computers are small and portable. So as time goes by, no, paliit ng paliit yung mga naiimbento. So from From the wartime computers, di ba, napakalaki. Ngayon, meron ng mga tablet, notebook, iPad, smartphones, di ba, meron pang smartwatch. Okay? They have to become more peaceful gadgets. The world of computer is getting smaller and our world can be reached in one touch. Information is easier through the use of computer. So, ayan. Hanggang doon lang po yung ating lesson. Okay, then yung activity later, ipopost ko na lang po sa group chat. Okay, ano lang po yan? 15 items.
Okay
Okay,
po.
tapos ito pong lesson natin, naka-record naman so you can play it again. Ipopost ko na lang po sa YouTube. Ipapass ko yung link, then lalagay ko na lang po sa group chat. Computer-based A&E. So, binalik po sa akin lahat yung mga assessment forms. So, okay lang po ba sa inyo na sa April na lang tayo mag-test? Sa April na lang kayo mag-test?
Ngayong
Kasi
April po, ma'am.
Okay po ulit ha. Yung computer-based A&E test na dapat na supposed to be kayong 13 na nag-comply kaagad. Okay. Lahat po ng mga portfolios portfolios, tsaka yung assessment form ay binalik po sa akin. Okay? So, mahirap po siyang i-accomplish kaagad. Then, another disadvantage nitong computer-based is once na naputol yung kuryente or nag-brown out bigla, so hindi nyo na po pwedeng maulit yung test. And aside from that, no, isang beses na kayo pwede mag-take ng test. So, nag-computer-based kayo, okay, tapos hindi na kayo pwedeng mag-test ulit ng paper and pen. Then, another info, no, na yung computer-based tsaka yung paper and pen ay isa lang po yung resulta. Okay? So, matagal po na lumabas yung result. So, yeah, I came up na lang na sa April na lang kayong lahat. Is it okay with you?
Okay po, ma'am.
Okay po.
Yung ano na lang, yung response ninyo, pwedeng chat nyo na lang. Dito sa may in-call messages or sa chat box. Huwag sa messenger, dito na lang sa Google Meet.
Okay po.
Okay, do you have any questions?
Ma'am, pwede pong bago po yung test, makahingi po ng pagre-review po sa inyo.
Paulit nga, Genevieve, hindi ko kasi na ano.
Bago po yung test, ma'am, pwede po makahingi po ng pwede mapag-reviewhan po.
Sige, sige.
Oh, thank you po.
Mabibigyan naman po lahat. Okay, mabibigyan lahat po ng reviewers.
Okay po.
And then, itong lesson natin ngayon, possible na may ganitong lalabas. Na who is the father of modern computer? Who is the father of electricity? Yung ganun po. Sinong nag-invento ng light bulb? So, possible po na lalabas yun sa LS6. This is recorded naman po, so pwede nyo namang i-play naman mamaya. Okay, kung wala na pong questions, no, you may now, can we proceed to the closing prayer? Okay, thank you for listening. Thank you for joining our online class.
Tapos na po yun, ma'am.
Okay, we are now done. So, pwede na kayong mag-leave sa ating virtual class.
Okay po, ma'am. Thank